Hey guys, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. It's Julia and today I'm going to be doing a fun look using our new glitter range. This actually glows in the dark, so I think that's so cool. But I've just added a little bit of extra nail art, just simple little flames. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and make sure you stay tuned. So guys, I've just prepped her nails using primer and dehydrator, and I've shaped and done everything already. Now, same as last time, I'm going to go in with natural beige so Sky doesn't make me look like a liar. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. And because I'm putting glitter, I'm only going to start here and we're going to just put a light amount of the acrylic towards the bottom because we don't want it to be too thick. So I'm just gonna start from here and just bring it down just a little bit, just so we have a little bit of coverage. Now I'm going to go in with the cuticle beads, just putting that right above and just pushing it up towards the cuticle, making sure that we're not flooding so that there's no lifting. Whilst that's still a little bit wet, I'm going to go in with the new glow-in-the-dark glitters. I'm going to use the pink one, of course, because what other colour do I do on this channel? Just pink, apparently. So we're just going to open that up. And I'm just going to dip the brush back into the monomer just to add some moisture. Just going to pick up some of the glitter and I'm going to put it at the bottom of the nail. Just going to put a few of the glitter pieces towards the top so it has like an ombre effect. There we go. Right there. Now I'm just going to use some crystal clear acrylic and we're just going to encapsulate that to make sure the glitter is all secured and so that we don't file it whilst we're filing it after everything's done. So I'm just going to start towards the middle and gently swipe it down. There we go. Now that's all nice and encapsulated. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that on all of her fingers. Now I'm going to use a 180 grit file and I'm just going to go ahead and reshape her nails to get a nice crisp shape. Just going to turn them around to make sure all the tops are nice and straight. Just fix this one a bit. There we go. Now going in with a fine grit sanding band on a medium speed, I'm just going to go ahead and file her nails to make them nice and even and smooth. Now that that's done, I'm just going to use a ceramic cuticle bit on a low to medium speed, and I'm just going to go around all of her cuticles to make sure the acrylic's all nice and sealed in so that there's no lifting. Just going to do that on every finger.
Not you know the name.
Yeah, I did my homework. Now I'm just going to use a buffing block and we're just going to buff all of her nails to make sure they're nice and smooth. I'm just taking a lint-free wipe and we're just going to go over her nails just to clean off all that dust. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of nail art to add a bit of, you know, detail to the nail. We're just going to do a layered flame look type thing. So for the first colour that I'm going to put, we're going to be using a colour from our Jelly range. This is called Pink Grapefruit. So it's kind of a darkish pink, but it will come out clear, so that will give a nice effect. I'll put some on there. And then I'm also going to be using Quick Kiss. I'm pretty sure I've used this in one of my videos. Don't say anything to me about it, okay? I just like all the pinks. So I'm going to put a bit of that on there as well. And as always, I'm going to be using Snow White, but with Snow White, I'm going to mix it with a bit of clear, so it's kind of like a milky white. So I'll put some top coat in with that and mix it around a little bit. Just going to put some on here. Just going to put a little blob of top coat in there. Dotting bit. Just going to mix that up a bit, you know. The pressure is getting worse. So first, I'm gonna. What two finger should I do it on?
How about? I don't know.
Okay, useless. Do you see?
Oh my god, I was thinking that.
So why didn't you say that? I'm gonna go in with the jelly colour first, and this one I'm gonna make it a little bit thick so that I have space for the other two. But I'm just gonna start by making a U shape here and flicking it out into a little flame. Then I'm gonna go around and make a little body of the flame. Don't really know what to call it. Do that again. It's probably hard to see, but you'll see a bit better once I've got the pink and the white on. And flip that out. Do it there. Make another little U right here. Sorry guys, my hammer's probably in the way, but I just did the same thing on this side. And finish that off on the side. Now I'm just going to put that in for 30 seconds in the lamp to cure. Now I'm just going to go in with the darker pink, and I'm just going to outline the middle of that flame that we just did. Now that I've done that, she's just going to put that back into flash cure as well.
Jump the gun then.
Yeah, moving too fast, girl.
Sorry.
Moving way too fast. Now for the last layer, I'm going to go in with this milky white that I made. That Sky says still looks the same, but it doesn't look the same. And I'm just going to do the same thing, but just go in between the pink.
In my memories, that old set that we both had from Lauren with the milky white, and then it was like two like bright pink marbles. They were so cute.
Now that I've done that, she's just going to put that back in the lamp again. Just going to wipe those over one more time. Now I'm going to go in with top coat, and we're just going to put a nice thin layer over all of her nails to seal in our design, if I can speak. And make them look nice and glossy and bring out that glitter. Wow, so shiny. Do you want cherry or do you want tropical punch?
I want cherry.
Okay. As Sky's request, we're going to be using the cherry cuticle oil. This actually has added vitamin E, so, you know, get that extra moisture and vitamins in girls. Going to put that on her cuticles. There we go, and this is the finished look. So guys, that was the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching that video. Make sure you comment down below any other nail looks you would like to see, using any new products or any that you've seen maybe on social media, and we'll be sure to recreate those for you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye!